Did you know that you could buy all the dangerous parts of a Glock online completely legally? That's because in the US, we don't consider the dangerous parts, like the barrel, the firing pin, none of that is considered a gun. The gun is the receiver. This little flimsy piece of plastic, it took me a 10-day waiting period, a couple $100, a bunch of taxes, local and state registration, and a gun safety training course just to purchase this thing. This could be printed in about 3 hours on any FDM 3D printer, super easily. However, in the state of Washington, that's very illegal. You can't do that. I really wanted the experience of building my own Glock from a bunch of parts, so I bought the receiver and I went online and I purchased every single part individually for a Glock. This is a Glock 19. I don't know how to put it together. I've never put together a Glock 19 before, but it looks really simple, so let's do it. Extractor. Extractor spring. Ooh, okay, so everything holds itself in. That's really neat. Barrel. And then spring. Do I have I forgot my recoil spring that goes right in here. I think that's right. I don't know. And then let's see. All we gotta do is the lower. And now, slide the spring into its hole. Oh. That right there is our magazine release. Okay. And that should lock into place. Wow, there's really only this trigger assembly. This pen is plastic, by the way. I don't know. I don't know if I did this right. Okay. Looks like the sights need adjustment, but it works.